A weak unhealthy body will of course fail to actively respond to the salt, and the salt solution and imperfectly digested foods will be absorbed, assimilated, through the intestinal walls and thence into the bloodstream. At this point the healthy body has rid itself of the salt irritant by spitting it out, vomiting it up and/or excreting it in the form of diarrhea. The weak unhealthy body, on the other hand, has dully accepted the poison and passed it through the stomach and intestinal lining, destroying and injuring millions of cells as it goes. All digestive tract tissue cells have suffered, as have all involved blood and lymph capillary cells. The blood carries the salt all over the body, creating havoc with every cell. The kidneys, which normally filter out small amounts of salt which accidentally accompany digested food into the blood, are not equipped to handle large amounts since its own cells are destroyed and injured by the irritant. The liver, which filters and chemically detoxifies many poisons and toxins, tries but is helpless to do anything with the very stable and strong sodium chloride molecules and suffers severe damage as the salt passes through it. The heart suffers. The brain suffers. All body cells suffer. Once the salt is trapped in the body's circulating fluids, the body response is one of extreme thirst as the cell population screams and cries for relief from the destructive foreign irritant. Most of the fluids consumed by the person are quickly assimilated and dilute and expand the volume of blood plasma, resulting in higher blood pressure and pulse rate. This in turn forces more fluid into tissue spaces to dilute salt concentrations in an effort to relieve cell distress. The fluid accumulates and remains as edema. The grail of distress, destruction and tragedy is total, having adversely affected every cell in the body. All surviving bodily defense mechanisms are activated to eliminate the salt through tears, sweat, urine, and mucus excreted in the digestive and respiratory tracts. More consumed salt intensifies the progressive destruction and deterioration of cells and leads to functional and structural failures through the body.